So we built a stack navigator for the first tab, but our third tab also needs its own stack navigator. So let's add a new file, AccountNavigator.js. Now to save time, I'm going to go to feed navigator, copy all the code here, and then paste it in our new navigator. Now on the top, I'm going to remove these two import statements. We don't need these screens. Next, I'm going to rename feed navigator to account navigator. Now for this navigator, I'm going to use the default mode. So I don't want to use it as a modal. Now what screens do we have here? Well, we have the account screen. And from here, we can transition to my messages. So the first screen is account, and the component is account screen. The second screen is messages, and the component is messages screen. Now here we don't need the options, so let's simplify our code. We're done with this navigator. Now we should use it in our tab. So we go to app navigator.js. We're going to replace account screen with account navigator. Okay. Now we should go to the account screen and handle the onPress event for this list item to take the user to the messages screen. So let's go to account screen. So here we have a flat list where we're rendering a bunch of list items. Each list item has a title, an icon, and so on. So here we need to handle the onPress event. And this is where we need to take the user to the second screen. But here we don't want to hard code the target screen because each list item should specify its own target screen. So on the top, this is where we're defining our menu items. So here's the menu for my messages. Let's give it a new property called target screen. We set this to messages. Now, where we handle the onPress, we need the navigation object here. So let's get it from the props, navigation. And finally, here we're going to call navigation.navigate to item.target screen. Let's test our app. So let's go to the messages. Beautiful. Now, currently, we don't have this screen, my listings. So if we tap on it, we get this error. But let's not worry about it. We can always add it in the future.